In the heart of Madinah stands one of the most beautiful and peaceful places in the world, Masjid An-Nabawi. Built by Prophet Muhammad over 1400 years ago, this sacred mosque welcomes millions of visitors every year. Its stunning green dome, giant umbrellas, and glowing lights create an unforgettable view, especially at night. Every corner of this mosque carries deep history, peace, and spirituality. Muslims from around the world come here to pray, reflect, and feel connected to their faith. From breathtaking architecture to a calm atmosphere, Masjid An-Nabawi is truly the heart of Medina, a place where beauty, history, and faith come together.
ويغدو الهوى ككبش ذبيح